So I am very happy to visit Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institutes and participate in the function organized by the first year students on completion of the second semester. And what I have seen is that the students have come out with a lot of ideas and also the presentations about Dr. Abdul Kalam. They have gone into more detail about the contribution of Dr. Kalam to inform everyone that how great he was. So it was a very impressive performance by the students, and we are very happy to participate along with them. So Dr. Kalam, of course, even though he is not with us, he is motivating all the students, community in a way that they have to come up in life with big aim and have a big life. So MGR University is doing, of course, a great job. There are multiple departments, and a quick look at these departments, I get the impression that this university is doing extremely well and it is poised for high ranking in the future. The Department of Hotel Management, they have prepared well. They have shown good hospitality, and it was very nice to interact with them also, to have eaten the nice food given by them. My thanks to the hotel management team and also the faculty who have contributed in developing good students who prepared very well the food. Thank you.